Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a free account with Drip, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Drip website at drip.com. Look for the Get Started Free button on the homepage. Click on the Get Started Free button. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in your email address in the provided field. Create a password for your account. Ensure your password meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by typing it again in the confirmation field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to the terms. Click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Open your email inbox and find the email from Drip. Click on the verification link in the email. This will redirect you back to the Drip website. You may need to log in with your email and password. Once logged in, follow the on-screen prompts to complete your profile. Add additional information as requested, such as your business name and website. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. You have successfully registered your free account with Drip. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.